how to set the correct temperature for the CPB Heatpad for your Samsung phone. So the Samsung phone will need to have a correct temperature set to remove the back glass. So for the back glass, you want to turn on the Heatpad, and then we go to menu settings, and we're going to increase it. So press on the up button and set it to 80 degrees Celsius. Now this is in Celsius settings, and we're going to run it for 3 minutes. Okay, so have it run for 3 minutes, and make sure the phone is power off. So power off your device, remove the SIM card, and have it run for 3 minutes. Now you do not want your settings to go above 90, as gone above 90 degrees Celsius can damage your phone. And have it run on a 3-minute timer. Do not put it on for too long, that can also damage your device. So a maximum of 3 minutes. If later on you need to reheat it, then you can put it back on for another 2 minutes. Okay, once it is hot enough, you can try to use the pry tool to pry out the back glass.